Hi, it's me, Sir Henrik from Henrik Academy. In this video, I will explain regarding mappings and function. Perhaps you will understand regarding mappings and functions. Before I begin this lesson, in commencement of this lesson, I will remind you that don't forget to click like and subscribe. Afterwards, take your pen and notebook and let's study with me. Understanding of mappings. Mappings is relationship between two sets of numbers. Two sets of numbers or another elements or the other things. Yeah. First set to second set. Okay. First set comprised of numbers or something, and the second set as well. All right. The first set is called domain, and second set is called co-domain. And the output of codomain we call as range, and the symbol is R, range. For example, this set A comprised of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements of set A. And set B comprised of A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, these are the elements of set B. So set A have relation with set B. Okay, A related with 1 related with B, 2 related with A, 3 related with C, 4 related with D, and 5 related with E. And how about range? If range location here, usually, okay, so A have relation with B, and the relation is function we call, and A include of range, B as well include of range, C as well include of range, and D include of range as well, and E include of range. Okay, let's move to the next slides. For example, set A comprised of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while set B have elements 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 16, 20, 25, and 30. If F is functions, A is square root of B. A square root of B. Find range. Okay. Firstly, we need to identification set A. Okay. Design diagrams such as this one. A with element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Afterwards, design another diagrams such as this one. B with element 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 16, 20, and 25. And now we look to this function. A is square root of B. It means 1 is square root of 1. 2 is square root of, correct, 4. 3, how about 3? 3 is square root of course, 9. 4, yeah, 16, and 5, of course, 25. Now we are going to range. How about range? Range include of those elements B are related with element in A. Okay, 1, start from 1. Okay, 1 related with 1, 4 with 4, 9 with 9, 16, 16, and 25, 25. So range include of those elements in codomain related with all elements in domain. Okay. Now, understanding of functions. A function is a binary relation between two sets that associate each element of the first set. Okay, have relation to exactly one element of the second set. Okay, so each element of the first set associates with second set, second set elements. Okay, now we look this this one. Is this include of functions? Of course, because each element of set X associated with elements in set Y in second set. So how about this one? This is not include of functions. Even this one include of mappings, but this is not include of mapping as well. This one include of not include of function. Okay, and not include of mappings. Okay, because two elements. Okay, two elements don't have associate with the elements in second set. Okay, how about this one? This one include of functions because each element of first function for first set associate with elements in second set. How about this one? Not include of functions, even these relations include of mappings. Why? Because one element in first set have relations associate more than one element in second set. Okay, if the relation such as this one, for example, 3 and 4. See, 5 here and, for example, 3 here. Okay, such as this one. This is include of function. Okay, and include of mappings. But this one not. This one include of mapping, but not include of function. Okay. So how about this one? This relation include of mappings, but not include of function. Why? Because one element associated with two elements in set B. Okay. Include of mappings, but not include of function. All right. If the relation such as this one, this 3 point, 3 point, 3 point, such as this one, for example. This is include of mappings and include of function. Okay. Or this one. This one. Okay. This is include of mappings and include of function. Okay. Now this one, this relation. Is this include of function, not include of functions, not include of mappings? Because look, one element of set A don't have not have associate. These elements not have associate in set B. Okay, so how about this one? Yeah, this one include of function, include of mappings. Okay, already. Now, which one include of mappings and function? We begin with this relation. Is this include of function and mappings? Yeah, include of mappings and include of function. Okay, because each element in set A associate with elements in second set. Okay, each element in first set associate with elements in second set. Even one element in second set don't have associate in with one element in first set. Now this one. Is this relations include of mappings and function? No, because one element in first set, okay, have an associate with one element in second set. Okay. Next is one. Is this include of mappings and function? No, because one element in first set have an associate with another element in second set. Okay, how about this one? Not include of functions, but include of mappings. Okay, these relations include of mappings, but not include of function. Why? Why not include of functions? Because look, two elements, these elements in set in first set associate with two elements in set B in second set. Okay, and also this one, this element associated with two elements in second set. So these relations include of mappings, but not include of function. Okay, next, this one. Is this relation include of mappings and function? Of course, because each element in first set associated with some elements, with several elements in second set. How about this one? These relations. Is this relations include of mappings and function? Of course, because each element each element in first set associated with one element with several elements in second set. Okay, how about this relation? Is this relation include of mappings and function? No. Oh yes, this include. Sorry. Why? Because each element of first set associated with all elements in second set, in set B. If this set A and this set B. Okay. So about this one, if this include of mappings and functions, of course, because each element associated with elements in second set. All right. Now, function and not functions. This functions we call as one-to-one function. Okay, because one elements associated with one element in set A associated with one element in set B, or one element in first set associated with one element in second set. So about this one-to-many. This is include of mappings, but not include of function. Why? Because one element in first set associated with two elements in second set. So this is include of mappings, but not include of function. How about this one? Is this include of functions? Of course. This is include of function. Even two elements in first set associated with one element in second set. How about this one? Many to many. This is include of mappings, but not include of function. Why? Because look, element C associated with two elements in second set, and element B as well associated with two elements in second set. All right. Now for the next lesson regarding our understanding of functions. For example, this is domain. This is domain, and this is the range, I think. Okay, because output and codomain is around here. Okay, the relations one. So from domain, if you input 0 times 2 becomes 0, one relationship times 2 become 2, 7 times 2 equal 14, and 10 times 2 equal 20. So this relationship we could write down functions usually such as this one. Okay, fx equal, this relationship is 2x. Okay, is 2x. Okay. If the interval number, if the input the input is 0, 1, 7, 10, so you need to give the information here that x, okay, is x equal 1 equals 0, so you 0, 1, 7, 10. Okay. right? So this is the fundamental concept of function. Next, find the range of this function. If fx equal square x minus 1 and the interval x from -3 to 3. Okay, if I will draw these functions as domain and codomain, such as this one, domain here, domain comprised of 3, 2, 1, 0, okay, -1, -2, and -3. Okay, and I will make the okay. This is a diagram for domain. And how about codomain? Codomain, for example, codomain, okay. Codomain, for example, comprised of 9, 8, 5. I'm going to write down 5 here. 3, 1, 0, -1, -2, and -3. Okay, now the domain and codomain, okay, related with or associated with these functions, square x minus 1. Okay, if these elements include of x, sorry, it means if 3 is x, 9 minus 1, okay, associated with 8. 2, it means 4 minus 1, associated with 3. 1 square 1 minus 1 associated with 0. Okay, now 0 minus 1 associated with -1. Now -1 minus 1 associated with 0. Okay, now -2 4 minus 1 associated with 3. Okay, 3. Now 9 minus 1 associated with 8. Okay, so how about range? Range of this this function equal 8, okay, 3, 0, and -1. Okay, I think very simple. Another method to find range, such as this one. Okay, I will erase this. Okay, using this function, now we're gonna set it to -3. -3, it means -3 square minus 1 equal 8. -2 means -2 square minus 1 equal 3. Next, minus 1 square minus 1 equal 0. And if we submit 2, not yet 3. 2 equal 2 squared minus 1 equal 3, negative 3, 2, 1, oh. Okay, 0 first. 0, okay. 0 squared equal negative 1, okay. And 0, 1, 1 squared minus 1, 0, and 3. Okay, 3 squared minus 1 equal 8. So it means range equal negative 1, 0, afterwards 3, 8. Yeah, 8. Yeah, this is range. Okay, let's continue. Now this one, linear function. This is the example of linear functions. If you draw 2x minus 5y plus 15, the graph, such as this one, the graph of linear functions is a straight line. Okay. Next is one quadratic functions. Okay. If you draw the quadratic function, the graph will become parabola. Okay. That's the one. This is the graph of these functions, y equal square x. And this is the graph of these functions, y equals square x plus 3x minus 4. And this is the graph of these functions, y equal negative square x minus 2x plus 8. And these are the graph of cubic function. This is the graph of fx equal x cubed minus x. This is the graph of fx equal x cubed. And this is the graph of fx equal x cubed plus x. Okay, students, this is for your exercise. I have provided 2 exercises for you, and also this one, the exercise. If you have any questions, or if you haven't yet understand regarding these explanations, you could send me your message through henrik.academy21@gmail.com. Thank you for your watching. See you